there, eco-explorers. Connecting with nature is an important part of keeping us at one with it. Which of these ways help us connect with nature? Is it going to the park, playing on your phone, or watching TV? Yes! And there's so much you can do out there. You can read a book, play football, race around, walk your pets, whatever gets you out and about in it. It's so fun. In fact, let's take a moment just right now to connect with nature. Take a look around and see what nature you can spot.